First, use your object selection tool to select the portrait and create a mask. Then drag and drop it into the other tab, keeping a hold on the mouse so that you don't lose it en route. Then you can resize your portrait and hit enter. Then drag and drop your trees into the same picture and transform them to the way that you want. I twisted mine so they're coming out of the hair. Then applying a clipping mask can be a little bit tricky. Make sure you're hovering between the two layers and hit option. Then you can see I'm playing around with the blending modes until I get an effect that I like. I'm then going to mask the trees as well and hit B for the brush tool and make sure I've got black selected as my colour to erase the parts of the face that I don't want to have trees over them. I'm then going to do the same thing but make sure I have the portrait layer selected just to get rid of those extra bits of hair. Then you can play around with the brightness and the contrast or the hue or the saturation or pretty much any one of those filters at the bottom until you get a composition that you like. If you're a GCSE or A-level student, this is the perfect way to respond to the work of Christoffer Relander.